think I see where it's going with this one, E. Hey, been around the world and back, yeah, I did that. Still kick raps that cause impact. So where my kids at? These motherfuckers hating, sounding funnier than Sinbad. I'm ill as the pills that they give you when you can laugh. This, that, the other, kiss your mother with that mouth. We the assholes that she warned you about. We just storming your house, open doors to a cloud. Got an assortment style, just be sure to this well. 6:30 in the morning and there still ain't signs of slowing down. Twin sisters getting wasted, so they both are down. It's going down, thought I told you, man. If you tryna party, let me see you raise your hand. There's a party on Fifth Ave. If you tryna go, I can be there in like 20. I'ma honk and then come running, cause we gotta hit the road. Make sure you got a clean shirt, clean pants, new shoes. Bring us what you buy there, you choose. There's a party on Fifth Ave tonight, and that's what I'm trying to do. Hey, what's the difference between me and you? I know I'm believing you. I'm flyer than Beetlejuice. Don't count on the sheep to snooze. I'm fucked up off weed and booze. I party then sleep till noon. What everyday people do. So wait and see me improve. Just give me a week or two. See when you read the news, my bitches on sleeping nude. My rhyme talent is why my album is fly. Your favorite record, you gon' put it aside. It's that old school shit sounding good in the ride. And fuck 10, I'm only counting to 9. Said it's that old school shit sounding good in the ride. So let's head out to the party out drive. There's a party on Fifth Ave. If you tryna go, I can be there in like 20. I'ma honk and then come running, cause we gotta hit the road. Make sure you got a clean shirt, clean pants, new shoes. Bring us what you buy there, you choose. There's a party on Fifth Ave tonight, and that's what I'm trying to do. What's going on? There's a party. Hope the neighbors don't mind us getting loud. Homies to the left, all the ladies to the right. We came to get down, we gon' do that now. My light up shoes on, my light up shoes on, my light up shoes on. They love the way my kicks flash. This ain't the time to just sit back, cause there's a party on Fifth Ave. There's a party on Fifth Ave. If you tryna go, I can be there in like 20. I'ma honk and then come running, cause we gotta hit the road. Make sure you got a clean shirt, clean pants, new shoes. Bring us what you buy there, you choose. There's a party on Fifth Ave tonight, and that's what I'm trying to do.